What is going on? What is going on, everyone? Are we live? I think we are. What's up, Mispa? Good morning, spell to the moon. At work, waiting for you. I appreciate that. See if we can get some people in here today. Start making some money here. How you doing? How's work going? We got one person in here. Come on, let's do this. Is spell moving? Oh, she's moving. Spell looks good here. I'm gonna miss spell too. She made a higher high yet again. So yeah, just be careful on spell here. I know you're probably holding it to the moon. Made a higher high. It could easily come back and back test. Got stuck at the 786. So you do have the 618236 here. At 98 up to 1001. But overall, spell's not looking bad here. Hopefully you bought it at the bottom. Wow. Almost 2 o'clock on a Saturday. Where's everyone at? I'm over here talking to myself. It's going to be a bearish day, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, we're live. You can hear me. We should be bullish. A couple days out from Trump getting into office, and he launched a meme coin, and things are still looking very good. Alright, that's better. We got 3 people in here. 4 people now. How's everyone doing? We're just going to kind of wait for people to come in. Spell's not looking bad. XCN's not looking bad either. XCN may continue to go. What are we, a sea of red? No wonder no one's here. We're bearish again. We're bearish, but it's the perfect time to be buying right now. DOGE's still holding up like a champ here. Holding our green box, holding the support line. 382. I think DOGE's going to have a massive run. DOGE to the moon from this point. Doesn't look bad. But how is everyone doing? 3 votes, 100% no. Trump coin's not going to 1000x. But yeah, things aren't looking too bad. I think this is the perfect time to be buying in before we go up. Everything's down again. Everything's coming back down to support. We're holding. Solana's pumping. Solana's up 17%. Just made a new high. Wow, we only got 2 people in here. We'll see how it goes. If no one shows up, we'll stream later. What's up, you grow, I grow. Moonwell, yeah, we can look at Moonwell. There's no one here, so we'll just look at whatever you guys want. Yeah, Well's still holding up good, just like DGen. This is your must-hold support box on Well. This green box from 4.5 up to 4.8. She's been holding strong, stuck below the 618 here. It's still a matter if it's going to break down and come back down to the trend or not, but it is holding up very good right now on the weekly candle chart. Yeah, I can see that's our 382, and I believe it's a... So you're holding over the 382, so you're bullish over 4445. So well is trying to hold up here. Okay, the green box is the 236, so the confirmed bottom is over 49, which are over. And then low, high, bullish over the 618. So if we can get back over 5.6 and hold, then you're back to being good. But any lower than this box, then you're going to end up dropping. Potentially. It'll just grind its way back down here to the trend probably, depending on where that's going to be. Doesn't have to, but not looking too bad right now. It is the weekend. We do have a sea of red, but as long as you hold, and then this thing to $1.34 billion market cap is almost a 25x, just to make it up to that new high on well. Appreciate you being here. There's only 4 people in here. What's going on? Yesterday we had 40 people, like right off the rip. Right when we started, people piled in here. But yeah, Wells on that must hold support. Everything's coming down. Everything was bullish last night. I mean, we were coming down a little bit, but we're still good. ASM still getting stuck at this 666 level, the double 618. But once it finally gets through that, gets a weekly close over that, she's good to go. Which ASM should be on its way to make a new high here. Holding the trend, so it needs to break this high here. So she may be running up soon to at least test the previous high. 300% move. So a 4x possible. As soon as it breaks through that double 618 there. Yep, slowly stair-stepping its way to the moon, yeah. As long as you have a chart like that, that's stair-stepping up, like DGen, like everything we're looking at right now. ASM here, well, when these things pop off and go vertical, they're just going to fly. They're just not there yet, but they will. But everything's kind of getting stuck, even Algo, XRP, everything pumped up out of our patterns getting stuck, but it did break out, so we're gearing up, we're getting ready. Maybe we are waiting for the 20th and then everything's going to start blasting off. SUKU's still trying to hold on for dear life. SUKU's still down here at the bottom. Moonag. I can't say that name. How do you say your name? I'm gonna call you Moo. People are like 12 hours already trading with the excitement. Trump coins sucked. Everyone's coins liquidated. What's up, Phil? Phil Nye, the crypto guy. Oh, there's only 20% to the public, really? Trump's gonna rug pull everyone. GFI. Oh, we got 9 people in here. Yeah, when we're green and we're bullish, people show up. When we're bearish, no one cares. Yeah, GFI is holding up still. It's on that final support. The new trend that we drew. Holding the overall trend. It's time to go up and make a higher high. You're holding low to the high at 127. You just hit the trend. So bullish back over the double 382 here. So once you get over 195, this thing should be good to go. And if it's going to continue what it's doing here, then we should have GFI come up to a new high and at least get over the 618. Do a 5x up to 640. Next leg up. And the other thing you can notice on the chart here, of course, is the double bottom off of that support, final support and the trend, double bottom with a higher low. That's very bullish. So it's taking time, but it's not looking bad at all. It's a game of patience. Just like everyone that was patient with XCN. We've been looking at XCN down at the bottom for months, forever it seems like, and now she popped off. Yeah, Goldfinch is going to be a good play. $50 Goldfinch, 4 billion market cap for a 35x. Lower high would be a 22x to about 30. Heck, just to get up to the 786 retracement here, which is very possible. It's a little over a 10x on this thing to 15 bucks. Can SUI 3x from today? I would imagine. I think that's what you said. SUI trying to put in a new all-time high. Yeah, SUI's definitely going to 3x from today. As long as you're over 4, once you break over this 570, she's holding it very well. Very good new bullish looking chart here. Just the overall new chart here just looks like it wants to just go. It's going to go vertical at some point. Yeah, 3.5x up to 50 billion market cap to 17 is definitely in play. And then $30 maybe, 6x, 90 billion. SUI's supposed to be a big one, and apparently Trump and Trump Jr. are buying it, from my understanding. And I guess with the new administration coming in and everyone's bullish on crypto and all the institutions coming in with their money, we're going to get a $30 to $50 XRP and just everything's going to just fly. We're going to have a massive bull run. What's up, Lord AR? Made a few gains on Trump last night, but my Elon's not moving. Really hope it can delete at least a 0 this year. Elon, yeah, DOGE on Mars is going to fly. When DOGE on Mars, it may go last or something, but when it flies, it's going to fly. Has a ton of liquidity, and people are going to see that, and they're going to throw their money in it. Because it would be nothing for people to throw large amounts of money on Elon, and when it pumps to get out, because it has such great liquidity. What's up, Slava, my man? I'm doing good. Not a great day, but I'm pushing through. That's all I can do. I just said screw it. I'm just gonna grind away and push through. XCN, what's up, Roman? Yeah, I just did an XCN update on the channel. As of right now, XCN looks like it's getting ready to go again. As long as you hold over the levels here, let's see. But yeah, I couldn't believe that XCN video I did yesterday got over 5,000 views. But the only reason XCN is getting stuck, it's right at the 0.5. It is coming down, so it needs to get back over the 0.5, but it's getting stuck at this right here, this one little volume area. That was support, and then it died. So if this thing can hold up and push through this area here, get up to the 618 at 2 pennies, there's nothing in here that's going to stop it from coming up to the next volume area. 9-10 cents, maybe it wicks up to 12 cents. But that's like a 10x from where it is right now. Maybe more because it's coming down. Let's see, let's go back to the hour chart because we are trying to hold up. Oh, she is coming down. We're going to keep pushing the narrative here, but let's see what I can do here. Not the prettiest of triangle patterns, but it is coming down. But over the last couple of live streams and the last couple of updates, I did tell you guys that it's probably going to wick above the 0.5, which it did, and it may get stuck and pull back. So hopefully you guys took profit. As of now, that seems on the macro, that's what it's doing. Right now, you're right on the 618. So this thing could technically, which it is right now, come down to 009. Yeah, not looking the greatest at the moment. We'll see. If it falls below 0099 here, then we may have a problem. That may be it. That's why I don't like going down to the hour time frame because it goes by too fast. But I did point that out on the update. But just simply zooming out, let me get this all out of the way. Yeah, you're down below the 0.5 again, but this is exactly what we pointed out. A wick above the 0.5 and then that's it. But no one knows. We'll see what happens, but no one can tell you what's going to happen. Low to the new high, if you want an even larger target to watch. This thing could pull all the way back down to 0.08 and still be considered bullish to push right back up. But as of right now, it kind of looks like it's getting stuck. ETH. AVAX, ETH. Yeah, until Ethereum moves, there's no alt season yet. Even though things are pumping, that's why I told you guys on XCN and things that are pumping, just be careful. It's not alt season yet. We could get stuck and we could pull right back. Yeah, Ethereum's not doing anything. Still sitting low to the high over the 382. Yeah, still getting stuck at our box here. I've been pointing this out. So the higher lows, the trend here, the box where we're getting stuck almost at the same level. This could be a very bullish ascending triangle pattern. And depending on when we break out, if it's now or alt season's not till, we can come down all the way to 618 and bounce and then do this, and then 382 and bounce. That'll take us into summertime. So this could tell us summertime is alt season. We'll see. As long as ETH is down here and not moving, not doing anything. But I think ETH is going to hit 9 to 10K. You can see we have the 1414 at 98, be a 3x from where it is today. May go higher than that. Yeah, we got red all over the place again. We'll see if these supports hold. Only thing that pumped was Solana, I think. AVAX. What is AVAX doing? I don't know. Maybe we'll turn around tonight. I don't know. Later on. There's a good chance I'll stream later again if this doesn't. If no one shows up to this one, which no one is showing up yet. Got 5 people in here. Everyone's bearish again. What's up, Mo? It's consolidating, very healthy. Yeah, hopefully it holds up here. As soon as I made the update, it started to drop. That's just unfortunate. But AVAX doesn't look bad here. AVAX, big inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Once this thing looks like it breaks through the 618, breaks the neckline here, then it should have a decent run up. But you're holding over high to the low, 0.5 at 35. 50 is the price to beat. Big head and shoulder pattern is bullish. And then probably a nice decent 2x out of this pattern once it starts to run to 80. And then possible new high, $300 AVAX for an 8.5x, 130 billion market cap. And like I keep saying, it may go higher than that. It depends on how big of a run we're going to have. It depends on where these other coins are going. Yeah, XRP is still getting stuck at the 2018 high. But there's nothing looking bad here. We're bullish. Same thing with XCN, little sideways pattern consolidation, and then she started to move again. Go down to the 4-hour on XRP. Yeah, starting to form a little bull flag pattern. So nothing looks horrible right now. We're just not moving. there's MISPA. How's work going? AVAX doesn't do anything. Yeah, I agree. It doesn't make sense selling anything right now. Not at all. Giga, what is Giga Chat doing? But as you know, I'm kind of waiting. I don't have any money right now, not even $20 to pay the trading view. I need to wait till Tuesday to get my check, and then hopefully the market stays where it is. But if it pumps, it pumps. It helps out the channel because everyone piles into the live streams here. But yeah, they're launching Trump meme coins like crazy on Solana right now. People are probably losing all kinds of money. Giga. Where are we watching Giga on a 4-hour daily? I mean, overall, Giga doesn't look bad. It had this move down, but ultimately it's still holding this bottom trend down here, as you can clearly see. And it's still making higher highs. Still making higher highs. So this is an overall very bullish chart. It's just grinding away until it goes vertical. So right now you're getting stuck right now at the 2 at 7.8. I would imagine this thing's coming up to 1 or 10 cents here to make a higher high. Now that it just bounced off of the trend, so it should get a nice little 50%, if not more, move up. 50 to 100% move to 10 to 13.5. And like I said, it did just get a nice little bounce. And depending on where we want to draw this, what are we on? Daily candles. Yeah, held the trend and held the 0.5. Bounced. But like I said, overall looks good. And it looks like, from what we can tell on the chart here, this thing's coming up to the top of the fib. Maybe go higher. 9x to 60 cents on Giga Chad. But yeah. Oh, we got 17 people in here now. Let's go. 16 votes. 69% say no. 30% say yes. Yeah, I was trying to look at the other Donald Trump coins, the ones we used to look at. The Trump and the Super Trump. These older ones aren't doing anything. It's probably because they're just launching Trump coins out there, out the ass here. Look at all these Trump coins just launching. They're even starting to launch Elon coins. Yeah, this one's not running again, but you can see I made an update on the Solana thing on it. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I said a 2x, but I'm in a 200x. Yeah, this thing came out and did a 200x. But yeah, it's coming back down right now. It was at a 6.5 billion market. It's at a 5 billion market cap. But these Trump coins are probably done with in the next couple of days. Honestly, though, I wouldn't touch them. Super Trump on Sol. Let's see if this one's moving. Nope, she's dead in the water. That new coin killed them all. But this one, $7 million in volume in the last 5 minutes. 2.8 billion in the last 24 hours. Yeah, I think this one's going to continue to go. I think it's going to continue to run. It's brand new, and it only did a 200x. Let's see. Abdul, how's it going? ABT's coiling up. Yeah, we're so bullish on ABT here. It's been holding real strong over the 786 final low to the high support. In this pattern, ABT looks really good here. I think ABT is about to get a nice spike to the upside, regardless of what else is going on. At least 150% move. So a 2.5x if it holds over here. If it breaks down, it breaks down. But we've seen these so many times to where they hold up and they just spike up. Let's see how many people we got in here. 8. Dang, we went from 17 to 8 in a second. But yeah, sea of red. What do you expect? Everyone's trying to sell. Now deep is going to the moon. Who keeps asking for deep? Deep book. Someone keeps coming in here every once in a while asking for deep book. Let's pull it over. Yeah, deep book closed above the 1618 and 19, and now she's flying. Another 17% move to 38. Next resistance. Yeah, I hate not having a 3-day chart. Same thing with drift here. Drift is in a very large bull flag, holding up over the 1414. Drift looks good for a nice move out of here. What else have we been watching that's holding up? Oh yeah, when's the Ondo unlock? Did they unlock already? How did Ondo get over here, by the way? Well, I guess we added it. Let's see, I don't know why that's over there. Yeah, let me go look. When is the Ondo unlock? Let me see. Token unlocks, Ondo. Did they already do it? If I can get this to load. Carrot's about to unlock some tokens. Yeah, I guess Ondo already released their tokens. Alright, so Ondo already released their tokens and it's holding. Yeah, we said this yesterday. We're gonna watch it. I forgot about it. So Ondo's just releasing tokens, making a lower low on the stock RSI, about to just slightly higher low on the price. So this should be it. Bottom is in for Ondo at 117. Very bullish looking chart still. Jupiter's up. Is that because everyone's piling into Solana using the Phantom and Jupiter to buy the Trump coin? Yeah. Let's see, back over to the chat. You keep missing what we're talking about. Yeah, I looked at Spell Rat when I came on earlier. I thought you were in here. There was only 2 people in here when we first started. Why do we have 2 spell charts? Let's see here. Alright, I think this is the spell chart we're using. $28. Alright, this is the real spell chart. I don't know why we have this one up here. Let me get rid of that one. So ultimately, Spell is still getting stuck at the trend. He did make a higher high. So once we break through the trend, we should be good. And what we can simply do is say there's a new trend in play now. But you're over the 236 again, so the bottom is in over 001. You made a higher high, so you're starting to curl up again. Like I said, on the new trend. And then bullish over 002. If we go low to the high, you're over the double 236 here, so you're bullish, and the bottom is technically in after it came down here. So not in a horrible spot, but it hasn't done anything yet. And then Spell, Bullrun breakout over the 900 million market cap, 5.5x over 006. And then Spell to a 786 retracement to 1 penny would be at 11.5x, 2 billion. And then maybe Spell comes up here and hits 5 pennies for a higher high. You get a 45x, 7 billion market cap. But like I said, as of right now, it's still stuck down below the previous trend. So there's a lot of resistance here. And to take it one step further, hopefully you're listening. High to the low. Yeah, you're above the 618. So the 786, once you get over 135 here, you'll be back above the trend and in a good spot. Kind of like we saw in Polyswarm. Polyswarm's coming down. Yeah, Polyswarm looks like it's coming back down to the trend. We'll see. So John, why is Solana coins pumping today? There's not a lot pumping. There's some. It's because Solana's pumping because people are piling into that Trump coin. Millions and millions of dollars just float into Solana because people have to buy Solana to go over in Phantom Wallet to go buy the Trump coin. But yeah, that's the reason Solana pumped. Hold on. Because if you're not aware, to buy the Trump coin, it's on Solana. You have to go through various steps. You have to go buy Solana, transfer it to whatever wallet you're using. I use Phantom. Transfer it to Phantom and then go buy Trump. Phantom through Jupiter, and then Jupiter's pumping a little bit too. So I would imagine if this Trump coin keeps going, which it looks like it may. We got Eric 45. I appreciate that, my man. Re-entry for Trump coin according to fibs and structures. It's gonna be really quick. I don't know if I can draw anything on there. It's so new. Let's see. I appreciate the 5 though. Yeah, on the hour chart here. We have to go to the 15-minute if it'll let me. All right, there we go. That's a lot better. Let's see. Damn, it just made a lower low on the 15-minute. Let's see. I guess the first wick down here. Let's just see what it's telling us. All right, you're just down below the 382 here. Like I said, very hard to draw a 15-minute chart. Not much to go with. I'm trying to see if it's respecting anything. If we go from this wick to the high, you could bounce off of the 618, so maybe 2294. I think that's the best we can do. And then you would make the higher, you're keeping structure here. It doesn't look bad overall, besides this lower high. Did the same thing back here though, wick down and then went. You know what we can do? So if we were looking at it back here when it first came out, we did low to the high, it was coming down. Yeah, right here it wicked perfectly down, 618 retracement, and then that's when it went. So you may get a nice bounce off of this level here. So pretty much 23 down to 20. That'd be your final support to hold the higher low. But there's a good chance it's going to bounce off of this level here. Now that it is coming down, I guess we'll see before the stream's up. But the fact that there's so much money flowing into this thing right now, 102 billion over the last 24 hours. Holders are increasing. Market cap's still dropping because the price is dropping right now. But it was over a 6 billion market cap earlier. Let's see. Work is interrupting us. Patrick says Mochi. What is Mochi on? Do you think Trump rugged the top? What's up, Eldor? Man, we just looked at ABT. It's still holding up. It's gonna move up at some point. Nah, I don't think Trump rugged the top. It did a 200x and now it's just pulling back real quick. Mochi. I don't remember what Mochi's on, but we'll look. Yeah, I don't think the top's in yet. It's coming down. Let's see what it hits. I mean, I wouldn't put a lot of money on this. If I had some Solana right now, I would probably take a gamble right here. Because there's a good chance this thing goes up until the inauguration for the next 2 days. Mochi. We'll keep checking on it and see what it hits. Mochi on base. gonna assume this is what you're talking about. Oh, this thing's been out forever. I have volumes coming in. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume. I'll check back to the chat in just a moment, but this is what you're talking about. I don't know if I should use this scam wicks or not. If we go from the wick high and we exclude that large red scam wick there, yeah, you're trying to get over the 236 right now at 12.7 to put the bottom in, but this thing hasn't done anything yet. Bullish over 2.0, and then Mochi 13 million market cap. Oh, see, she just wicked up real fast there. But if this is something, 26.5x to the new high 1272. Add 3033. If it's the correct one on base. It's turbo dying. Turbo. I would imagine not. It's probably in the same spot. Let's see. She's laughing at a 200x. Yeah, I'm talking about from the bottom. This thing launched. The first candle did a 50, almost a 45x. But who bought the bottom on this thing? Who even knew it was coming out? Turbo. Oh, she's down 15%. Turbo's still holding. As long as you're over 007, you're good. But yeah, she's coming down again. Got stuck perfectly high to the low, 382 trend. Now she's falling back down. Yeah, if we had a 3-day chart, the 3-day candles are all holding here. But I don't have the 3-day chart right now. But keep it simple. 007 is the price to hold. Needs to break over 9.2 to break the downtrend and start moving back up. Breakout confirmed over 10, but technically still holding up right now. ABT's the same way. ABT's still holding up like a champ here. She's about to do a 155% move up, maybe. $200 times your money. Trump owned all of. At the bottom, he's officially the richest man on the planet. Yeah, you just got to be careful with these coins. Something like that, like the Trump coin, I would just throw like $50 on it and see if it goes up. If it goes up and does another 500x, then I'll be happy. They can rug pull it after. Yeah, no volume. It'll come in out of nowhere. We're in a sea of red today, so bearish weekend, I guess. Virtual's down. Yeah, see, Jupiter's up almost 30%. Jupiter, Solana, Money came flowing in. What about Phantom? Did people pile in and get him a Phantom wallet? Yeah, who was it that was going to buy Ondo? Yeah, we're bearish today. This is ridiculous. But Ondo's potentially on the bottom. They released the tokens and it's still holding up. I don't know if that was you, Eldor, or who that was. So this 117, 118 held, and I would imagine it's time to go up now. Yeah, Toshi, we've been looking at that. Yeah, that's what someone said the other day, that Toshi's getting listed on Coinbase. Toshi. But yeah, they released their tokens and the price held that support level there. So I guess I would say that's the bottom for Ondo. What are we looking at? Yeah, so is it true Toshi's getting listed on Coinbase? Yeah, it's probably for the spike. Nice rumor. But it's still getting stuck at the 618 here. It needs to get a weekly close over 3.6 here. But higher highs and higher lows holding the trend. Toshi doesn't look bad here. P&G still holding up, I would imagine. But yeah, that wasn't a bad drop. 9% on the day for Ondo. As long as P&G's above 30, she's still good. Yeah, it's still good. It's at 31. Still holding strong for P&G here. It's the same thing every time we look at it. P&G, Turbo, ABT, they're not doing anything. They're just dead in the water right now. But not looking bad. I saw Velo was coming down. I've been so bullish on the Velo chart and it was coming down. Dang, it's down 15%. Not bad. She's still holding. Just came down again, but it's still holding here. As long as it's getting this little formation here. Just the overall chart on Velo, I'm still bullish on it. As long as it doesn't break back down to the trend, then I'm not bullish on it anymore at the moment. Alright, how many people we got in here? Oh, we got 27 people. Where did all these people come from? What's up, Isabel? Pull out of XEN. What's up, Joe? Bro, is Trump rugging the market? Everything is falling. That's what someone else said. I don't think so. I think it's just the weekend. We had a pump. We had a nice, decent bullishness yesterday. And it's just time to come back down again. But a lot of things are still holding. Nothing's really moving. Careful. Yeah, I just did an update on XCN. We've covered it like 3 times already. We've been covering it. We looked at it on the live streams for like the last 6 months. Or not the live streams, the channel. I kept telling you guys this thing's going to get stuck above the 0.5 wick above it, and then that's probably going to be it. So all you guys that bought in down here at the bottom where we've been watching it and then holding the triple support here off of the pump, hopefully you guys took profit, but everyone else that did not take profit, there's no telling what it's going to do. It is still consolidating here, so it still looks good where it is. We're waiting to see if it's going to break this higher low scenario here. It's just people are selling, taking profit here. You can see it coming down right now. That's why I don't like to look at the hour charts. But that's really the only thing we can do. Short term and then long term. You're right on the 786 right now, so any lower than you are now, you could wick down. Any lower than 88, then it's done. But if it can get back over the 0.5 here, after this sell-off, you can see low to the high on the larger one at 008. You're still bullish, so it can come down all the way to 008 and bounce. But I would say any lower than that, then that's your top if it doesn't get bought back up quickly. And like I keep saying, we're not in alt season yet, so we've been covering so many things on the channel here that pump like this. We watch them get stuck wick above whatever resistance is there, and I keep telling you guys it's the top, and they come right back down. So until you get over 2 pennies, if you get over 2 pennies, this thing's going to fly to the moon. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Bullrun is over. But yeah, Isabel, we've been covering XCN forever. The bottom down there. A lot of the viewers here, a lot of the subscribers, I think, bought in down there. And I've been trying to help them keep their money and make their profit. Not financial advice. XCN topped out, cash out now, not financial advice. Yeah, Eldor's been saying that. Eldor's been in the same boat. But yeah, no one can tell you when to buy or sell. Let's see. Yeah, not a problem. You're good. I look at the chat. I respond all the time to everyone, so I appreciate you being in here. And I know it's hard when you're got money into something like that, and you don't know when to get out. If it's going up, going down. I've been in the same boat before. We all have. It's very nerve-wracking. What did no guy? But yeah, everything's down. You can see here just a complete sea of red. Nothing's happening. Only the Trump Queen's going to be the winner. And Solana maybe. Algo's still here. Getting stuck. XRP, XEN. But XCN. I said XCN. But yeah, this XCN coin, if this is the bottom for this thing, I was trying to do some research on it, but a lot of mixed signals with this one. This one does a 382 retracement to 20x from where it is now, trying to hold the trend in the bottom here. Yeah, she's right on that trend. And then right on pretty much the 618. So it could technically come down to this bottom 8.6, and if it holds and bounces, higher highs in play. And then this one, if it's going to do anything, 618 retracement is at 225x. Jeez. Let's see here. Yeah, you guys are good. Y'all just calm down. We're good. Slava's a good guy. He's been here forever. He's a good guy. Let's see. PayPay. Oh, they pulled the rug on PayPay. Ah, PayPay's dying. Someone asked for Elon earlier. They just want Elon to eat a zero. Yeah, Elon's going to be a good play. Elon hasn't done anything in ages. My target for Elon is still here. 35.5, 36x up to 506. 3 billion market cap. I still think Elon's going to wake up and surprise a lot of people. It's going to just fly like it did last time. But yeah, it's just death right now. Everything's headed back to the shadow realm. Everything's on that. Everything needs to hold or we're going to break down. Same thing with Mog here. It's breaking down now. Alright, let me get back over to the chat. We got 28 people in here. Yeah, Slava, you still in here? How's the weather over there? It's cold and windy here. I'm not ready for this weather blowing in. Guzzler. Oh yeah, I forgot about Guzzler. Yeah, I guess we're just not doing anything. Dominance is back up. DXY is back up. Another fake out. Yeah, DXY is holding. The market, the dominance is holding. Bitcoin's really not doing anything yet. So clearly no alt season yet. That's why I told you guys that make sure you guys take profit on XCN. What's something else we keep looking at? XLM. Everything's still just kind of holding. Where'd our XLM chart go? XLM. I guess we have more than one chart for it. Yeah, why do we have two XLM charts? XRP. Let's go back to XRP and then we can find it. Maybe not. What happened to all our stuff? XCN. Why is everything all messed up? everything's getting hit hard right now. This is ridiculous. I'm trying to get to where I need to be here. Be coming up real quick. Man, we've added so many coins to the list here. I gotta get these things put back in alphabetical order. Shiba Inu still holding. Yeah, what is going on here? Come on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. We'll just go look at H bar then. Oh, maybe it's because we're on the monthly. H bar is finally breaking out. Let's see. It's a blizzard in Colorado. It'd be -8 tonight. Oh, man. So I guess you can't even go anywhere, huh? What's up, Oscar? Did you cash out any XEN since you in so much profit? Who are you talking to? But yeah, spell, we looked at it a couple times already. I don't know why my charts aren't popping up. Why is nothing popping up right? What is going on here? Is Trading View screwing with me? Since I didn't pay for the monthly thing yet. Now it wants to pop up. But yeah, spell still, it's above the 236, so the bottom is in over 001, but ultimately you're stuck at the trend here. You made a higher high, so regardless of this trend here, there's a new trend in play, of course, but until you get over this, there is no move up. You're simply getting stuck still, and if we go high to the low, pretty much the 786 here at 0013 is what you need to get over. Break back over the trend and break back over the 786 here, and you are over the 618, so it's in a good spot at the moment. We'll see if it pushes through. But like I said, it just make a higher high and it got stuck, so it could easily pull down and make a higher low again. But yeah, Shiba Inu, yeah, we just looked at that one. We didn't look at it, we rode past it. Shiba, big double bottom W pattern here. She's moving up over the 382, so now you're technically bullish. It's curled up here. It looks good. It looks like it wants to take off. We've been saying that on this one. Breakout is over, and the fact that you got all these zeros, that's usually a good sign because people like to eat zeros. At 669 and then 13. And where's the target for this one? 40x to a new high, 41, 42x. But yeah, you can just see here on the side, we're getting hit. Let me see what the chat is saying. He says Godfather. She just keeps spamming in the chat. Yeah, I'm watching it. I'm keeping a close eye. Loaded with food and everything, don't need to go anywhere. That that's good. Yeah, lost says XCN. I would imagine FET's still holding up. Yeah, we'll go back and look at XCN in just a moment because I know all you guys are worried. But yeah, FET's still holding up. FET still looks extremely good. I'm bullish on it still. Deep Book right now is going to the moon. I don't know who keeps asking for that one. Oh, XCN's back in the green. I mean, as of right now, XCN's still holding up. That's really all we can do. So I keep telling you guys, we just hit that final support level and we held. I would imagine there's more than just me looking at this too. No one has a crystal ball to tell you guys when to take profit, where it's going, but clearly consolidation in a large triangle pattern here, and you just hit the final support. So as of right now, it does not look bad. Until it clearly breaks down, it looks like it may hold up and start going again. And like I keep saying, if that's the case, if you get over 2 pennies, this thing is going to fly to the moon. Nothing's going to stop it. So we'll keep watching it, but yeah, I'm hoping it don't get that bad here. But like I said, down where I'm from in South Texas, they're supposed to get ice and snow. So if it gets that bad down there, because we get that every couple of years, maybe. And I'm all the way up here north now. I didn't load up on food or anything. I don't get paid till Tuesday. And I think everything's going to be frozen over and death by then. I hate these YouTube checks coming once a month on the 20th, 21st. Hold on, let me check my phone. I'll be right back. Everyone in here, please hit the like button. I appreciate all you guys in here. 24 people now. Not quite a few people for it being such a bloody day. But yeah. Bullishness for AVT. I don't know what AVT's doing. No, I think AVT looks good on the overall chart. I believe we looked at it yesterday. But yeah, AVT's holding up. The bottom is in. It's holding the trend here. Doesn't look bad. trying to see what the moving averages are doing. Just crossed bullish on the moving averages. You're over the 200. Trying to incorporate more things on the charts here. But yeah, overall AVT doesn't look bad. It looks like SEI and some of the other coins. Just down here at the bottom, holding up, holding strong. At some point it's going to move. What is this one? Yeah, I mean, this thing's probably going to come up here. 20 bucks. What are you sitting at right now? 250. Uh, 8.5x. How can you not be bullish on that? Let's see here. Time to start a new poll, huh? 65% out of 43 votes say no. Yeah, I can't believe he put out a meme coin and we just had a crypto ball and it's about inauguration time and we're bearish like this. We got 30 people in here though. DIA price prediction says Eldor for 5. I appreciate the support, my man. DIA, what is she doing? DIA, she's still holding up. Yeah, why is that moved? We're locked in. We'll leave it. But yeah, DIA doesn't look bad. Just needs to break out. Needs to get above the 3.2 here to be bullish over 74.5. But yet again, another one in a very large consolidation pattern. It's never, I mean, it's never bad when you're consolidating like this. So you are below the 236, but it's trying to hold higher lows here at the bottom. So it needs to get back over 70, and then of course 75, and then 80. 80 would be your breakout point and bullish low to the high. Confirmation over 97. But overall, it doesn't look bad. So if we zoom out all the way to the monthly chart here, let's go low to the high. The fact that you made a higher high here and you're making higher lows. All right, you're sitting right on the 3.2 at 67, so you are on bullish support on the macro here. Where's my, there we go. The big question is it going to drop down to the trend to make the higher low? So that puts you back at the 236. So I would say any lower than 67 and you don't get back over 75 to 80, which this could very well come into play, and you're going to drop back down to 45, 46, drop 34%. Very possible. But if the little bull flag holds up, then you're good. Yeah, you're above the 0.5, below the 332. So it all depends on if it's going to hold up or not. But this one, new high, $14 billion, 1.7 billion would be a 20x. And if it happens to come down and make the lower high, higher low, whatever, 30x. And what is Dogecoin doing? Dogecoin's still holding up. Hasn't really done anything yet, but it's still holding up. It's doing the same thing it did last time, almost to the T. Yeah, I saw Orca was up. But as we've been saying for weeks now, everything looks the same. Everything's holding in the same spots. Orca's stuck down below the trend. Doesn't look good. We'll just adjust. But yeah, I think DIA is good for that move up. How long have we been on here? Hour and 17 minutes already. It's going by fast. SUI still holding up very strongly here. Looks like it wants to go vertical. Let's see here. I'm looking through the chat. Okay. Alright, let's go check and see what the Trump coin is doing, I guess. Since we ran through everything, it seems like, and everything's bearish. Alright, let's pull this up. Yeah, she bounced off of the little 1 hour 618 we drew up. Yeah, I don't know if this thing's going to continue to run. Up 13,000%. Oh, that's the one we're looking at, 13,000% up. Yeah, they're just launching Trump and Elon coins from everywhere. Fist coin. Another rug pull. Yeah. So someone said Solana coins are pumping. Are they really? Let's look. Not even gonna look at Sol Ordi right now because they're still rebranding and fixing everything. Used car. And used car still holding. Billy, did Billy recover? Let's see. Win, what did Win do? Nothing. Yeah, you guys think Win's gonna move? I'm really considering buying this one. Win for 150x. And need a max win. There's Billy. Oh no, Billy's dying again. It didn't hold. Billy looks like it's done. Wherever Flip Coins is, let's say a prayer. Billy is done. Snack is another one. Snack is still holding up very strongly. Rashad says XRP. None says just tuned in. Is the recent crash for Arrow, and the rest caused by Trump? Yeah, everyone's blaming the Trump token. But why is that? Why would one little Trump meme tokens crash the market? Top signal? Why did I type Trump? Yeah, there's nothing to really say on XRP. It got stuck, but it's sitting here. If we go down to the hourly time frames, not looking the worst. It's just consolidating again, going down and sideways. You just simply say it's flagging again. But it's holding up very well. Made the new all-time high, and it's over. Large, very large W pattern here. XRP's about to fly to 50 bucks. Oh, XPR. What is XPR? People selling their token to buy Trump token. Is that it? There's billions or millions of dollars flown into it. Arrow, what is Arrow doing? Yeah, if I don't have a chart for XPR, unless it's on Dex Screener. XPR, very confusing. Yeah, XPR network. I don't have a chart for it. We can't look at it right now. I can't add anything to the list because TradingView wants me to pay the monthly fee, which I usually pay all the time for years now, but gotta wait till payday. Unless it's on Dex Screener, like I said, I'll go look. But Arrow, we're bullish on Arrow again. It hit the target it needed to hit. What is it doing now? Where's Arrow? Where'd Arrow go? Oh, she's coming back down again. One last crash before he saves the market, I guess. Yeah, if you just zoom out to the weekly chart, this is what we've been watching. 3-day chart's even better, but we don't have the 3-day chart either because of TradingView. But we came down, hit the trend perfectly that we've had on the chart, and it bounced. So it needs to get over 120, and then you're in good shape again. But overall, it just put in the higher low, so now it's time to make the higher high. So no matter how far it dips back down on this candle, you tagged it, you're good, so it doesn't matter where this ends up. As soon as we get the next leg up, however long it's going to take, weekly candles here, 218% move, so a 3x up to 380 potentially. Yeah, let me check. Let me see if XPR network is on Deck Screener. Of course not. Solana's DEX volume is at an all-time high right now. So Trump's clogging up the Solana DEX. Alright, so got that back up. What am I looking for? Alright, coin market cap. Just trying to see if I can find this real quick. XPR network. Come on. Yeah, how do I put this on? Because I see a lot of YouTubers, they just go straight to coin market cap and they do their charting. I don't know how to get this on the chart. Alright, I don't know. Alright, anyway, back over to the chat. Yeah, Corium we have on here, I think. No, I think it got deleted. Let's see. But yeah, Corium looks good. Corium and Sologenic we've been watching a lot lately. But it held low to the high, held to 382 inside the bull flag pattern. Strong move up. You're back over the double 236, so you're bullish over 24, and the bottom is in over 24. So it's not in a bad spot here. It looks like it's breaking out. We could pull it up a little bit, but it looks to be like it's trying to break out. So as long as you're above 24, you're in a real good spot on Corium. Next stop up is 133% move to 60. And it just made a higher high off of that high. It looks good overall. If it holds over 24, it should be getting ready to run. 400% move to the 0.5, and then your breakout bull run confirmation over pretty much 270 at 10x. Yeah, I haven't done a chart on this one yet. But not a bad run up to the 618. But it broke out, but it's kind of getting stuck because the whole market just sucks right now. Turbo, as long as turbo's over 0.0, as long as it's over the 0.007 level, you're good. Any lower than that, then we'll have to re-look at it. Well, yeah, we've looked at turbo several times. But yeah, she's still holding. Can't wait till I can get back to the 3-day charts here. Yeah, she's coming down right now, but Downtrend came and got stuck, high to the low, hit to 382. So it looks like once you break over 9.2, then you'll be bullish and break out at that point. But right now it is coming back down. How low? No one knows. Go all the way down to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, you're below the 618, so it's probably coming down to 0075, if not 7 itself. And like I said, we'll just take it from there if it breaks 7. So another 4 to potentially a 9% drop on the table right now. Jasmy's coming back strong. Yeah, Corium's going to be a good play. What is it? Jasmy. Jasmy to $1. Jasmy's dying. Yeah, nothing's safe right now. But yeah, we pointed this out last time on Jasmy. We're seeing this a lot lately. Jasmy's more bullish than you think here. What do we have? 3? Yeah, we're holding the 3 pennies. I think that was the 0.5 low to the high. Yeah, if you can see that low to the high, we just tagged the 618 again at 2.6. Low high, 618 retracement, bounce. And then of course the 3 little cups here you see, of course, is the shoulder, head, shoulder forming again. And it looks like once we break over 5, weekly candles keep getting stuck here perfectly with the bodies. Once we get a weekly close over 5, then you can be bullish on Jasmy. And that would be your potential breakout from the neckline of this large head and shoulders pattern. And then Jasmy, a lot of people are going to take profit at 30 cents. I've been told this multiple times. So they're looking for a 6x up to 30, maybe a little higher, 14 billion market cap. But I think this thing's going to easily 21, 22x from here. $1.09, $1.10, 50 billion market cap. That's my target for Jasmy. My biggest regret yet is SUKU is selling my XRP at $1 with only 2x profit. Yeah. Everyone's talking about XRP. Yeah. I appreciate you here, Rashad. Hoping Flare keeps moving. Flare, what is Flare doing? Is there anyone else streaming today? Flare's, yeah, Flare's not bad. She's in the green. One of the few that are in the green. Doesn't care about Trump and his coin. He's just gonna go. Yeah, breaking out of the pattern. The big thing on this one is get over the 618 to break the high here. But you're over the 382. You held the pattern. Strong move up. Pull flag played out. You're pumping. Just be careful. You're probably going to get stuck right at the 0.5 and pull back. You're above the 236 at 29. So you're double bullish, double 382. Bullish over 29. 35 is your resistance here. No. But another 12% move up. And maybe higher than that. Because if you do the measured move off of this, it should take you up past the... If it's going to play out, but the fact that we're so bearish right now, nothing's going to measure move itself. See, because that takes you all the way up to the 786. It may take a while. These are weekly candles, but that could be your projected target up to 8. So that wouldn't be a bad move. Flare. So is Songbird bullish right now, or is it moving, or is it sitting still? So 160% move, possible measured move out of here to 8. And then Flare, new high, 18 billion market cap, is a 10.5x to 33. Maybe you hit 50 cents this cycle. Almost a 16x, 60 or 27 billion market cap. Now I'm curious, what is SGB doing? Ah, she's 1% up. Staying alive down here. Yeah, this one's down at the bottom, hasn't done anything. Songbird. We're just talking about AI coins, yeah. Yeah, when we take off these AI agents and these AI coins, everything's going to take off, but XRP's front running right now. There's a lot of good AI agent plays. I'm still bullish on this Entayo protocol coin. Rashad says, how can we donate? Yeah, I went over this yesterday. I just added, if you go to the description in the live stream here, I actually just figured out and I added PayPal. So I don't know if you do PayPal. I do not have a Zeal. I don't know what that is. But right there in the description, there's PayPal, Cash App, and then there's the crypto tip jar. Anything from Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, Tether, PNG, everything, XCN, Well, Jasmine, Doge, Math. Everything we kind of cover here, I have a wallet for in here. Solana. What am I missing here? AI coins. No, ABT's good. We just looked at it. ABT looks really good. Yeah, it doesn't get mentioned anymore, but it's a low market cap on Coinbase. It's still holding up. It looks like the SEI chart. You're down here at the bottom. But like I keep saying, there's so many coins out there now. There's no telling what's going to run and what's not. What people are going to buy. Like today, people bought the Trump coin and that's it. Everything else died. But yeah, the fastest way would be PayPal and what is it called? I don't know what Zeal is, but what is it called? Dang. Cash App. What's up, Marketing Science? Who are you talking about? Who's Isabel? Yeah, Trump had the crypto ball last night, and then apparently he launched his own meme coin token. So that is the reason Solana is pumping. Jupiter is pumping. There's some coins pumping, but I would imagine that's why Jupiter is pumping. Because you have to go through the Phantom wallet and use Jupiter to buy the Trump coin. It's up almost 30% here. I don't know where our chart went. I think we got two different charts for it because I already have stuff drawn. But see, Jupiter's pumping. Solana. Damn, this cough. But Solana is up 13-14%. From my chart here, the Binance chart, it looks like it just made a new all-time high with that little wick above. I don't know if it did officially or not, but that's the reason for that pumping. Money had to flow into Solana to go over to Phantom Wallet to buy Jupiter, or no, to buy the Trump coin. And I would imagine it's still going to pump for the next couple of days. You would think so. Until he gets inaugurated, and then it'll go to zero. But we just looked at it. Let me go back to it. Yeah, we just looked at it on the hour chart. Someone was asking for a good spot to buy back in, and we drew this. The candle was somewhere, I don't know where it was, but it came down and tagged the 618 as we said, and now she's bouncing. So it gets back over $27. She's bullish again, so maybe that was the pullback we were looking for. It's at a 5 billion market cap. 2 million in the last 5 minutes has flowed into it in volume. Last 24 hours, 2.9 billion. So that money's flowing through Solana, flowing into here. And then someone also mentioned that there's only 20% to the public, so. And as we can see, it did 218x from the bottom. Even though this says 14,000%. But it looks like it's bouncing now. I had no idea he was launching a coin until I got up this morning. Is it real or is his account was hacked? I think it's real. He had, I don't know if you're aware, but he had the crypto ball last night. Apparently Snoop Dogg was going to perform there and a whole bunch of other celebrities or whatever. And then he ended up launching that coin. Official meme coin. It's all over the, there's news articles all over the place. It doesn't seem to be fake. I would imagine someone would have said something by now. But if you look at the website, it says on there, go buy to support the Trump administration or something like that. We got Chet says, did you buy an IOST? What am I looking for? But I mean, I wouldn't, if I was even thinking about investing in it, it would be a gamble play. Even if it is a rug pull, it's fake, whatever's going on with it. Just a gamble. IOST, what is that? If we don't have a chart for it, we can't look at it. Digibyte. Yeah, we've been looking at Digibyte a lot lately. I don't remember what chart we're on. I'm going to delete the other one. Digibyte, she's holding the bottom here, just made a lower high. Yeah, we went over this last night. Digibyte's not doing anything right now. We zoom all the way out here on the weekly chart. You're holding the 236, so the bottom is in here. Got stuck, double top, lower high, but you are holding. So not bullish until you get over 2 pennies, and then breakout confirmed for a bull market on the Digibyte over 4.5, 5 pennies. And then DGB. Yeah, you're just kind of right now getting squeezed between the 382 and the 236 here to stay bullish. Hit the 0.5. It doesn't look horrible, but overall it's not doing anything. But a strong move up and then consolidation. That's exactly what you want to see. So as long as it's consolidating over the 236 after the strong move up, there's really nothing to worry about. 786 retracement on Digibyte to 8.5, 1.4 billion market cap potentially. 6.5x, and then if it comes up and makes a slightly higher high, maybe you get 20 cents on this thing at a 16x. Moonshot, which it may not be a moonshot. I have no idea how these old coins are going to perform. 9.6 billion, 48. You probably hit 50 cents and get about a 40x if you think it's going to hit 50 cents. Gotta get rid of the other chart if this one's not right. Yeah, it's the same thing. So we'll just get rid of that one. But overall, it hasn't done anything. IOST. I guess we haven't looked at this one. Oh man. Gotta blow the dust off of this chart. This hasn't been looked at in years. I guess July of 2023 was the last time. Oh man. I don't even know what this is. It's an old coin, I guess. Yeah, she double topped with the lower high and went into the bear market. So yet another one that's not done anything. It's down here below the 236. Gets stuck at the 382 every time it comes up here. So once you get over 1.3, you're bullish here. Maybe that's when it'll finally start moving. And then over the 618 confirmed over 27, but right now it's down below the 236. Had that same bottom formation with the nice little spike. This is exactly what we're looking for on ABT. Had that first initial little spike here. And then keeping it simple, low to the high, pretty much tagged at 618, and you're right at the 0.5 right now. Needs to get back over 7 up to 0.08, bullish and bottom in. But if this is on exchanges and people can buy it and you think it's going to run, it's got a community, then it'll probably run. The other thing you kind of notice is it looks like it has a large cup and handle pattern here, so that's bullish. It'll probably just send it up to the 382. And then where can it go? I have no idea. 786 retracement in a bull market up to 4.5, maybe 5 pennies is a 7x. That's not bad. If you think it can hit 21, which is a stretch probably, it's all the way down here at 0.06. Be a 32x. Trump coin open price was 7. Was it really? Yeah, I don't know. If it turns out to be a rug, then I don't think he's rugging the market. He's bullish on the market. Honestly, don't know why everything is down. It's going to be selling the news. Yeah. Dash, VBA. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Your research tells you IOST will do good. Well, that's good. Yeah, I'm going to have to get out of this chair again. This is ridiculous. Where's our Zcash chart? Did we not have one? What am I spelling? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we ever looked at Zcash because I don't have a chart on it yet. Two dash charts, of course. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if these old coins are going to run or not. Dash is just like the other one. It's down here. You do have a double bottom in play, but you're not doing anything. It does not look great. There's nothing bullish on Dash here at all. Down below the 236, still in a downtrend, still in a bear market. I don't know if Dash is ever going to go up, is it? But until you get over 56, you just hit the, looks like 618, pretty much. So maybe that's the bottom. It could go lower. That does not look good. It looks like a top formation, and it's going to come down. So there's a good chance Dash is coming down. I have those out. Yeah, Dash is getting stuck, so it looks like it's probably going to come back down to 786 final support. It did hit the 618, so it's good, but 26 is in play. It looks like, because it doesn't look great. Yeah, you can still drop 30% on this thing, unless it gets over 56. Yeah, I don't think Dash is going to 130x, so I think the new high is out of the question. But not bad. 618 retracement in the bull market is a 7.5x to 300. Almost a 4 billion market cap. And then, I mean a 618 retracement that is. And then a 786 to 600. 7.5 for a 16x. So maybe those are your targets for Dash. Let's see. Yeah, what if we just die after the inauguration? Like we're dying now. I hope we don't. VVA, hold on. Alright, VVA. Where's VVA at? VVA on the Bitmart chart. Yeah, we've been looking at VVA. VVA looks horrible now. I mean, you're holding the higher low. If we just ignore the triangle pattern, you just hit the bottom trend. Just gonna get that off. It came out, went up, and it's been going sideways ever since. So the only thing I can really say is if you can get back over 46236 off of the bounce off of this trend, then you should be in good shape. But until it clearly breaks down and dies, yeah, you just hit the 786. So this should be the bottom at 4.3 trend. Any lower than 4.32 here, you're at 4.33, then it's over. It could wick down, but it's on that final support level, completely going sideways. Let's see here. What about Matic? NKN says Benjamin. Matic, I don't think anyone cares about Matic anymore. Aren't they rebranding to, or they already did rebrand to polls or something? Let's see here. What's Matic doing? Matic is in a very large, descending. What is it called? Falling wedge pattern here. It looks like on the macro, but ultimately it's not doing anything. It's still in a downtrend. Nothing bullish on it. You're below the 236. Looks like these other old coins that aren't doing anything. Question is, are they going to go up at some point? So until you break the lower highs, break over the 3.2 to begin with, and then the 618 at 120, there's no bull run on this thing yet. It's going to have a pump at some point, I would imagine, but where to? I guess up here maybe. $5 Matic, 12 billion market cap for almost a 12x. Did the same thing back here. It did nothing forever, and then it just ran. But that was back then. No one talks about NKN ever, so I don't know if NKN's ever going to recover. NKN, that is. Looks just like the Matic chart. There's nothing bullish on it here at all. So they're going down and sideways forever, down below the 236. Depending on if you drew this a long time ago and left it here, you can see how many times it's got stuck at the 236 here. No candles over, no weekly candles, got stuck again. Wick down below, so you could say 13 here is it, and then 6 is the bottom. But ultimately, same pattern on the bottom, and she's coming down. So I would imagine probably to the final support. So you're sitting right on the 0.5 right now. Any lower than that, then you're coming down to 7. But I mean, if you're bullish on NKN, I guess no better time to buy it than now if you think it's going to go up, because it hasn't done anything. It looks horrible. And it's not really respecting the levels here, so not the greatest looking. NKN 786 retracement. 71 pennies would be almost a 5x. And if you think NKN is going to pump, 27x to 380. But yeah, I remember last cycle we talked about NKN all the time. NKN with a whole bunch of other coins we talked about. But in NKN, the same thing as ACH. Let's see if XRP, XCN is recovering. Yeah, she's still trying to hold. As long as this looks like this on XCN, we're good. Weekend pump means Monday dump. I don't know, does it? What's up, rainy day? Well, what's today? The 18th? Monday's the Trump thing, so it's probably going to be a sell the news type of a thing. The last thing to pump into the inauguration is Trump's little meme coin, and then we're dead. How do I get this off? But yeah, let's see. 66 votes. I guess it's time for a new poll. 70% say no. Yeah, what should the new poll be? XDC. Guess the market topped. It's ridiculous, ain't it? XYO and XDC, all the X coins going to the moon. I can't tell you how long to hold XCN. Only thing we can do is we've been looking at it here. It's consolidating right now, just below the 0.5. If you didn't take profit at above the 0.5, then I don't know what to tell you. But 1 penny here, you just hit low to the high final support here on the hour candle. So it just remains to be seen if it's going to start moving back up, hold the consolidation period. Any lower than this, then it's probably done. So it's at that must hold level, but it is holding at the moment. It just remains to be seen what's going to happen on XCN here, but she had a decent run. Same thing with XDC here. Little pullback bull flag pattern, and she just started running again. She's above the 786, so as long as you're above 12, you look to be good here. And then XDC. Yeah, as long as you're above 12, 12 and a half, you're bullish here. You're good. And same thing with this one. We go down to the hourly, the 4 hour. You're just kind of going sideways again. Potentially breaking out of a little tiny 4 hour bull flag now. And on the hourly, a little double bottom, W, higher low. I mean, without picking at these prices too much, I mean, they're having decent little runs. They look bullish. But XDC, next big stop up, the new high 1272 at 36, 5 billion market cap, 157% move. And then potentially 80 cents for a 12 billion market cap. But yet another one from the bottom is running up. At once it was a 30x. But she's moving. See you in 2029. Yeah, I agree. Nothing makes sense anymore. Whole new market, I guess. So maybe with, like I keep saying, maybe with Trump coming in here, maybe the market's going to be different. Like I said, all the institutions coming in, all the administration's bullish on crypto. They're going to stop the taxes on it, hopefully. Everyone and their mother's going to launch a meme coin and a coin. That's not bullish, I guess, but maybe we just go up all year. Up and down. $0.25 for XCN. I think 10 cents is definitely possible. XCN Moon Boys think it's going to $1. You got some YouTube channels coming out saying XCN to $1. I don't know if that's gonna happen. XYO. See, XYO did the same thing that XCN did. Had a nice pump, got stuck at the 786, wicked above it, and it's over. Everyone tried to hold on hope, and it just kept dying over the weeks. And they're still asking, where's it going? Just got to learn to take your profit on these runs up and then buy back into something else that hasn't ran yet. That's the way I'm going to do it. So many discount prices out there. But let's see, XYO. Yeah, it just seems like you're going sideways and down now. I don't know what this price is doing. When you look at it on the weekly here, it does not look the greatest. Let's see the monthly. Yeah, it looks like the top is in. And then you look here on the weekly after this little move down. We saw something like this yesterday. It looks like it's just forming a bear flag with a slight move up in price. And now it's time to just drop. But we can see things better on the 3-day chart. I can't wait till I can get that back. I hate the daily. It's too far down, in my opinion. But right now you're above the 0.5 on XYO. Let's go from the low to the high here. Yeah, you're just above the 382, so any lower than 15 to 16.5, and it's done. You come all the way back down to 382.618, and you do run the risk of coming all the way back down to the trend here. So the monthly off of the big W double bottom higher low pattern, you pumped, and you made a higher high. Now it's time to come back down and complete the mission, make the higher low, and then go back up at some point in the future. That could be the case on a lot of things right now. Shad says Jasmine. Yeah, we looked at Jasmine today. Jasmine's going to 30 cents. That's where everyone's going to sell, but my target is $1. But Jasmine's more bullish than you believe it is. It's in a very large head and shoulders pattern. Pretty much doing nothing at the moment. And you see shoulder, head, shoulder. The macro chart. Once it breaks over 5 pennies, it'll break the neckline and then shoot up right to 12. 144, 45% move. And like I keep saying, a lot of people saying they're selling at 30 cents. Around this 30 cent range, they think that's where it's going to top at. Could be the case. So looking for a 6x on their Jasmine investment from, well, not today, let me move this down. 10x. I think Jasmine's going to come up here and surprise everyone. 50 billion market cap, 35x, $1. But as of right now, Jasmine's not doing anything. Low to the high. We're sitting right on pretty much the 0.5 is starting to dip below it a little now. But we already hit the 618 with bounced lower highs. But not going anywhere, or not going anywhere rather, until you get a candle, weekly candle close over 5, 3, 2. Those candle bodies got stuck perfectly. Yeah, I just did an update on Stronghold. I mean, nothing looks good at the moment. There's a few, but everything's just getting hit. Stronghold. Oh yeah, Stronghold does look good. It just made a higher high. It's curled up here. It almost looks like the It looks like it's breaking out from this little triangle pattern here. If you go down to the 3-day and the daily, which we don't have the 3-day. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Does not look too bad. If it can push through 15, 16 here, a nice 70% spike up to 2.5. But looks good. It almost looks like the Velo chart here at the end. Even though Velo was coming down, let's check on Velo. I've been very bullish on Velo. Yeah, the overall chart on Velo here. This big cannon's just ready to pop. Just go. When will Jasmine start pumping? Probably once it gets over 5 pennies. Yeah, we looked at Flare. Flare's doing good. Flare. Yeah, Flare's pumping out of our little bulk flag pattern over the 3-2. Next big resistance is 3-5 here. But she's moving, but we've seen it a lot. Everything we see pump out of these patterns get stuck instantly and start pulling back. But ZBC, I don't remember the last time we looked at this. Oh, this looks like Mavia. Mavia broke down and made a new low. Yeah, this doesn't look great at all. I mean, it's going sideways. It's completely down. Yeah, it looks like the Mavia chart. Big time. But you're below the 236 here. You got stuck at the 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Triple top, and now it's time to make a new low probably. Yeah, you're on the 786 final support here. So as long as you hold 8.2, you're alive. Any lower than that, it's probably going to make a new low. Needs to confirm bottom in over 001. And where's this one going? If this is the bottom, 600 million market cap to 0091618 for a 10x. And Moonshot 28x to 2.5 pennies, 1.6 billion market cap possibly. What is XRD? XRD, I don't remember. Oh, Radix. Radix, I don't know what that is. What you guys talking about? Am I going to ban someone? You guys need to chill out. Marketing science, come on now. There's no arguing with each other in here. What's up, William? I don't know. We may pump. I don't know. Let's see. I'm looking. Come on, load already. Nah, Slava's a good guy. He's asking for 85% drop in market. Everyone's entitled to their opinions. There's no reason to get upset or rude. Every time someone comes in here like that, we don't have no problem on banning them. Completely out in April. What's up, Freedom for Crypto, RSR? Forgot about RSR. But yeah, conflict is never a good thing. There's no room for it here. Ban that fool. If you get butt hurt by someone saying the market could potentially drop, then that's just childish. I'm looking through the chat. Oh, what are we doing now? Yeah, I don't see anything. There's no antagonizing. There's no nothing. He's just speaking his mind. There's no reason for you guys to be arguing in here. We're all here for the same thing, to make money. Casper, and what else? RSR. Yeah, what time is it? But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. I just want you guys to be civil and get along. We got a good community here. I don't see anything going on that's antagonizing. You guys are all free to speak your mind. Just don't argue with people. Myro is holding on for dear life, my man. What's up, Black Ribbon? Casper. Let's see. What is Eartha? This thing's potentially bottomed out. What are we looking at? see the poll. Y'all, I keep telling you guys, everyone can say whatever they want as long as we're civil. There's no reason to argue. Someone can say there's a crash. Someone can call for a pullback. There's no such thing as if you're getting butthurt by someone spreading the FUD, then I can't help you. We're here to speak our mind and learn together and do what we can to make it through this market. Every little bit of information helps. You guys just apologize to each other and let's move on. Let's see, what are we looking at? Myro, RSR. We're here to get through this together. We're here to look at crypto. We're here to see what we can do. RSR, what is RSR? Oh yeah, reserve rights. Wasn't this supposed to be the next Bitcoin at some point? RSR on the monthly doesn't look bad. This big curl up, you're over the 0.5. Not looking bad at all. I haven't looked at it in forever. I don't think these market caps are right. But yeah, how long have we been on here? 2.5 hours already. Jeez. Alright, you guys are killing me. I'm gonna go. How many people we got in here? 22 people watching. Everyone, please hit the like button. Jeez. All right. That kind of talk's not tolerated. You're gone. Sorry about that, my man, but you're gone. I'm not having the greatest day, and you guys are pushing my buttons already. Come on now. Yeah, there's no talk like that in here. You're out of here. Hope you the best. No more toxicity in here. Let's be nice. Man, I need to go to the store. Let's see here. Yeah, we kind of got off track now and off topic. Let's see. It's 4 o'clock already. Will we stream later? I don't know. We'll see. We looked at RSR for a minute. Myro. Yeah, Myro's down here on its last leg. It's trying to hold on. Just made that lower low at 4.7. We'll see if it makes another low. But yeah, until Myro establishes support, there's no telling what's going to happen to it. I appreciate you, Joe. Let's see here. Yeah, everyone here, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget there's the donations down in the description. I appreciate you guys in here. I don't know, did we get any super chats today? I don't think we did we? Make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, I guess we didn't. I don't remember. XCN chart again. No, I'm not in Chicago. I'm in North Texas, but we're getting some stuff coming in here. But I haven't been to the store yet because I don't get paid till Tuesday. I'm not even sure when this thing's blowing in. But we're supposed to have ice and a blizzard, and so hopefully the power doesn't go out and internet so we can not stream. At least I can sit here and freeze in the stream. That'd be something, wouldn't it? The frozen stream. XCN. Yeah, XCN's still doing the same thing, I believe. As long as you're above that penny, then you're good. Let's see, all the way down to the hour chart. Yeah, she's still holding up. It's still holding up on that final support level. I would just simply say any lower than a penny on XCN, then it's probably done for now. Yeah, wow, it is 4 o'clock already. I honestly don't have anything else to do, but it seems like we've talked through it all. I mean, there's nothing going on. We're not bullish at the moment. Everything looks horrible. IXC, what is this? Icon. Brett's on its last leg. So many things are on the last leg here they need to hold, or we're going down. A sea of red. But yeah, I guess we'll leave it at that. I may just look out for it. I may stream again later. Like I said, I have nothing to do. Just need to get out of this chair, take a break, let you guys cool off. And yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. I appreciate you guys coming in here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you guys whenever that is.